Ready to elevate your career in instructional design? The OLC Instructional Design Professional certification is your gateway to becoming a leader in digital learning, setting you apart in the industry. This certification is more than just a title. It's a testament to your commitment to excellence. With a 3-year validity, the OLC IDP certification ensures you stay at the forefront of digital learning, continually enhancing your skills to meet the evolving demands of our industry. After 3 years, a straightforward recertification process keeps you current with the latest instructional design practices. This ensures you're always equipped to create impactful learning experiences. Beyond the certification, you'll join an elite network of professionals. This community offers exclusive access to instructional design opportunities and a dedication to fostering collaboration and innovation in instructional design. Visit our website to learn more and embark on your journey to becoming a certified instructional design professional.